Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best buying decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that are bound to revolutionize your driving experience. On the left, we have the Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit, and on the right, the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Get ready for a wild ride as we compare these two contenders in various categories. Let the battle begin.
All right, let's kick things off with the price. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit comes in at a wallet-friendly $25. Not bad, right?
But hold on to your seatbelts because the Miden S7 dual dash camera takes the lead with a price tag of just $69.
It's like getting a luxury car for the price of a scooter. Now let's talk about power and protection. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit connects directly to your vehicle's battery, providing continuous power in 24/7 parking surveillance. Plus, it has a smart low-voltage protection system to prevent draining your battery. Impressive.
But wait, the Miden S7 dual dash camera doesn't back down either.
It boasts a 3-axis G sensor and accident lock feature, automatically saving and locking videos in case of emergencies. And let's not forget its super night vision and parking monitor capabilities. Your car will be safer than Fort Knox.
Now let's focus on the most important aspect of a dash cam: video quality.
The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit ensures compatibility with various dash cams, providing you with clear footage to capture those jaw-dropping moments on the road.
On the other hand, the Miden S7 dual dash camera takes it up a notch with its 2.5K plus 108p FHD resolution and 336 degrees wide-angle dual recording.
You'll feel like you're starring in your own action movie. Ease of use is crucial when it comes to dash cams, especially while you're busy navigating the roads. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit's a CC mode automatically turns on and off with the ignition, saving you the hassle of plugging and unplugging the charger. Talk about convenience.
But hey, the Miden S7 dual dash camera doesn't want to be left behind.
Its 3.2-inch IPS screen and user-friendly interface make it a breeze to operate and navigate through the menus.
No more fumbling around while trying to find that perfect setting.
And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit and the Miden S7 dual dash camera in various categories, and it's clear that both have their own unique strengths.
Whether you prioritize price, power, and protection, video quality, or ease of use, these dash cams have got you covered.
Remember, always consider your specific needs and preferences before making a purchase.
We hope this comparison has helped you in your buying journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more epic this one.
Stay smart and happy shopping, everyone.